Esaya enim NDC ni enim MPP ni
okay
se na NDC ni abon a wa bon MPP ni abon a wa bon but the truth is enipa no bon a wa bon no what is the impact here ebeba o man se na make out Matias enipa no bon ade ba di no betum dia ba o man no so am o man na fa nentuma pai dey efra. It is say a person ye sad any few dia. Then it was a you rethinking about the education sector. Now about way so tenacity. The implementation of free SHS no. Yet whom or how a culture there ye boy a day.
Okay.
Or how I buy way cool. But let me tell you, so you say I buy way free SHS no. Or how when ya ka obesua this one be e dia ma wofo
na fe di nti da wonye no ye sara no honto nei
na emomu no e na be wo suru sa manfo be criticize say me kosua bi e de koma abusuafo awofo a amanfo be kan wasam
ka wo kan wasam ne say sa de be ni ya obia benya ho mfaso ni nti abusuafo me na me ka say e ka say be bia ye dru ne de mo so me kakra
oba kai say kanofoli ataka asemu ese onu na sabika fra owo ni bibia odie no sabika fra nyansa nim kra say ode ne babe ko free SHS
okay
ba nyansa be wom say ode ne babe ko school a obetua school fees aye dey ho honom asem lo kai na e bone ana
okay
but who say tama na some of us ye ka say asema kanofoli ataka ye no ye fa nkwa adwindwim na ye nwinu ho yie se nyansa bi wo mu a aba we fa
okay
na won fa nye adwuma eba boa ama oman ne sikasem no atumi aye dey akonanim na enkoba say every year bia no because of free SHS ye betwa sikatwitwidie ade akoho no na momu no at the end no na ye hu no mapa eye dey e koso again so wo hwe neoma IMF for kan na they were talking about teacher learning
okay
meboa sisi ayi musa ya wo say omo ko free SHS no ani a church for no teachers ro mutumi cover all the syllabus mo fa sibi beneficial of free SHS now so friend me also mo ye mock mathematics no so also mo twen o wi your friend what as mo kai
don't say
o say aduana ba o say John offer do nyame ata so mass no mantumi anye
ase bia wo nsua dia so
ntumi anye no mo ya sa ya wo say omuntumi cover syllabus no enti questions na e ba ye no e questions so a de omunye do omusua ye no eno questions na ye den e ba ye e go say no who few months to write e de ba de na ye nyemfa mo a no say ade se betumi a prescribe na yo classes a e be boa. You see some of the challenges here echo but you see all these things no a church aye dey aye din education director aye dey aye din it my question is Sanyoma way the education minister onima na
okay
the GS omu nim these challenges that echo so in the schools na so omu nima ade ba de na aduana ba omu ye dia for ho. You could recall say some of the exams here incredibly chire minum ye ni na dia that say what's the exam say omutwa ye ne ebi ba bonten ebeka chire ye say papers ne kurampo no ebi na ba enye de omasua e na ye dey e ba ye. This means that you will be wo honoma the education sector no and what say ye dey ye hwe na ye tu ho na mo yie say be ya e ma ye school sam no ye dey ensei ye be school no ye one thing politicians men come only MPP.
Okay.
Make up politicians, the big political party, NDC and MPP. One thing that we don't know, and it's a consultation.
Okay.
Broad consultation.
Okay.
Say you want to say, and so when you see a buy, you did be a bar. Say, and so now you did be a bar. A bebois, and I say, emwa. You know.
Okay.
Near you say, Yashahobo. Yen deliver. Deliver ye deliver no. Ye mu say sign ade ni besi ayede. Ako. It is time. Say a person on mine no all sectors, your Greek sector, etumpon, your education sector, etumpon, your health sector, etumpon, all sectors here, ebema on mine afan into my perfra. Ebien abasa ye pese e ma on mine etumpon dia. It's time say ye bibia ye no consultations. Mama fa you intro. Oh, agric sector. How many times and I ye implementing bibu agric sector ya consult to the agric phone.
And even the farmers.
The farmers. How many times? What to be that?
Okay.
Even those chief farmers now, ye omono. How many times na what is the district chief farmers be aka say ya frɛ wo mo e wo nationwide say omo mramba ye meeting na ye nwene kwan a ye agric sector ne betumi ade afa ne tuma pefra ya ye bi da.
Okay.
Ye nye bi da. But we have a minister who will sit in his comfort room na what di bibia ba say eye papa say enye papa wo dia ba because na buy ne say ye nye den ye famra. Is that the best way to develop a country? So you can't hear me say there, and we have a long way to go. Another example be the health sector.
Okay.
How many times? And now, a baby aba, or see when you implement BB, health. Why you consultation with the health and penny phone? How many times? That be a yet now your room. Air condition boy ya boy tie na yet wo na yatena se yenye we sa de na ye de ba no adua na be ehun susu aso te sei ebeboa wo man no
okay
emwa wo man no ye de ba ebeboa anase boa no yet wo na yaka ye kwan yiso na yaye ekire ye be ya wie no na ye nu ye ho ye be da adwene ebeba bonta wie Ghana fo be kan wasem no na ye nu ye ho say ye den yeah. Your education sector, the same thing.
Okay.
Yentina se planet. Ye tuna wasram ajejem. Obiaba menye bibi ni enka se me na me yewe. Me fanji mi di nya den enko. Se sa ne se ye be kekere o man Ghana de a. Ene se bi ka fro ye nchirima e ba aduana ba. Omo wa asembo ne po echime
ba ewo asembo ne po yura John Abembila no atene ka no John yenhwe kumewu ene eje bo ye na ye honya abo afonkrato mra ye ba ye be wura kumewu ene emu sensemu
Uyam ayekro anase emu kekaw uhia amuzuke uyam tutu anase emu samfono uhia amuzuke wayase ya oya anase wo afichikro mu haw uhia amuzuke heba mixture ebi wo heba shop bia mu frɛ 0247 776743
Foligo capsules ni syrup your multivitamin fofra ejema mo fani benina iron zinc copper folic acid vitamin B6 nutrient ashimuma Foligo drama oxygen na yetwiko yemuno eje dwuma yi na honam no sunya hodi a ehwehwe Foligo syrup the beda malt ni ewowo ni jama mofra Foligo blood building nutrients so won the pama benefo omiketufu ni obi a wayere na hotono
FD ahwehwɛ sɛ gyedi nkwa atu mu agya tum sɛ yɛ Obiara Ribisa, Neda me shiva, on a payment and wasn't in brodo. Missy Oya alternate, fatigue in a fever, it's on a pay me repisa. Missy Oya alternate, malaria, then the general body pains, but I'm feeling sick of alternate. Everything be alternate. Sick of in be the ultimate, no martinate. Malaria fever, no martinate. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no martinate. Wajan when I'm young, no martinate. Pastor na lawyer, no martinate. Presented for count, no martinate. Kaya yo you borrowed them, no martinate. Mano mede, also no martinate. Yo, no martinate. Malaria fever, no martinate. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no martinate. Wajan when I'm young, no martinate. Pastor na lawyer, no martinate. Presented for count, no martinate. Kaya yo you borrowed them, no martinate. Mano mede, also no martinate. Yo.
Rose, Frekit ran the video man, maybe Sasa, I have from Oceana, assistant.
Bra, was Wabremo, Tanya Mancuni, a quarry bread. Will you wait there so to any hand pa?
You did make your papa. I got 2 days, pen wedding yet, Russo, and
can't believe tablets even now on Townton. What me my wedding case? I don't know.
Cold relief.
Cold relief. Pepper son kokoko. Etimi I want to take it. Uchimu yo dudu. And I know son you see and answer mercy. Cold relief. A very relief will ama water in terms of
cold relief. Semensiawa and come back now about when was a some way jam hako.
Our soul. Don't know. Ubenya cold relief for pharmacy be a benwomu. At to Fongo to Binko Limited, Kumasi Sports Stadium Mechi, YF Brono so. Telephone 051 389 success. Cold relief.
A relievement terms of.
Chania Disaheba capsules.
Madame Fieni.
Hey, and to what in your pan and what's the sad Disaheba? What is Sasa?
Mendia, woman bibi. And net dear, for once, my chiwed, I do Saheba Messana, who come from Mamiano. Oh, my number Tiwadas, Miampa, Caneno, Namis, Namitimina, Chime, Nami Coco Yadia so teach me. May no matter Saheba Missa, Nina to go, and the Maya free.
And to some radio, yet tried you would name watching. I used to see the cocoa rockers. Miss a person crony at Jumatin baby. Say you do Saheba Mister and come
Odo,
nine say dear, when you're pomade pow.
I do Saheba capsules no.
I genie, I no crap. At the summary, or be to me. I just a painful. About a woman quite done for anyone I wouldn't fit to me. Kumasi at a phone out of phone call to Saheba Center in the clinic. I was swimming macro, go filling station down Wemo, and a swam Pentecost I sold down. I fear I have a shop in the pharmacy PM. 0500-110.
If an uncle when you bring say, go, Unum say, and now we have fridge and go to a same year, your grandpa in your view. Ain't him baby papa, Minya fridge papa, toy, better mammy.
Now, one day, Artist Prestige Enterprise Fonka.
Almost for
hey, any media, some way see what your friend of Tardiana Mintawadia or Tardian what I did yet. Whom had ye? Open baby a ton fridge papa, a Artist Prestige Enterprise. More fridge a wood whoopee. So pack it to a cassia, a one was a tabletop, double decker, deep freezer, and one sound display fridge. There's a fridge na grass where anymore. Would you woman on in your
hey, sir, and your Miami
more gas cookers, rice cookers, blenders, TV set, a free 32 inches, coping 65 inches. A fair air conditioning type of beer. Any home theaters, a papa. Fine, microwave, and a washing machine in Abbey. Mechanic at the and nam so when you're my papa, a dear be a bit to be a woman warranty sign Tawadi.
And you just must see me and pass. So most I know my neighbor, what you cause is here.
A more report junction, there be a friendly ship, Muno, one I'll be home. Sounds soon at Atonsu Agogo, or money at Danzura Bank in the Shanimu. Fred 0243 414822 and a 0553 319455. Artist Prestige Enterprise. Home appliances, Papa Pafi.
Sorry, dear. Well, Casawa de Wahua, Musha Meskin, Ama Mishataria Memrecra, Yamisha Skin City Laboratorium at the Pa and the Tono. Yaya hyperpigmentation and a hypopigmentation, and no ya the one who do be a war with Yenania, Skin City Pair and a bit me a year free home. Malesma, a yen so pay a woman named Sam Ben a Riasha show, freckles, and then in Kikahon, and no dante ya cabibisa acne, a pimple, a bunny penny, a bit yasus, yawa ititosis, and not one say not on Saka cow skin na wow Felisa skin ne rere sa fish aye rere ho senior eno ye white dot and patches e ba redie nani ubehu so bo ho a redie nani na muni said ye bubu pleats ana guiders ana keratosis eno so ye strawberry na kwaye sa wudwa akokwa said ye akokwa ho tie sisimu kadam no ene ye wo anti-aging facial creams eno esiesie wo wrinkles emani padua ne sane fefefe ene ye sa wo so wo beware wo skin nye eye Skin City Laboratorium pe ana mekan for the amount ene ye wo dry dark knuckles eno eye wo nsachi aye tuntum wotimu so obi ne color fe pa na so ne nsachi ayi na ma afi ye wo dark neck ukwo mu sei no na ye tum ene ye wo severe dry skin ye wo severe oily skin and damaged skin repair when it aswasa eye Skin City Laboratorium pe ana mekan for the amount facial and body waxing ebebwa so wo pe Skin City Laboratorium achira kwan ya ye wa sokori mampo affordable house in shani mu pe for 0248936297 0248936297 obejo so adwumayefo nanim tese.
He wants. What's wedding is it? Oh, you butankasa.
Messi, Lufat na wajima where you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. To my wedding, where your hospital
sister. Where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. No Messi semu huma yeshepe. Linketa was mikuni. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jamo Tono. No, but no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, never seen one for ambulance. No one.
Up ambulance. It's not a bicycle. No, that's it from Kakabo.
No,
kick. Many wedding on me make up Nina. Sometimes nearest pharmacy. Oh, one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for malaria druna.
Inyo. No na wanter. Mukuno jina nenadi. A brantepa.
No kuniso. No puna waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No, donna. Man, no, you don't.
Indeed, woman malaria and cold to them. Lufat. A malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA Ashesa Ejede Inkratoi Ajatum se eye.
Abi national lande afeya beja cash na bega afi na madwuma no be ko swankasa bema na wo inflation achini fa wotom se potos no anyway ni agisaro ade wodi loto bi ana masa choko ya uhia sisia ne Abi national unia abi dien ani eye Abi national sikakrabia foforo wodi oboso obia hwe wo mo won hyehyeye papa ebeso wo ha nyina no na abotre wo boni ahohare a wodi ye adwuma no masa wani beji keke enti for me Abi national for you omo we dum kejeti ahia woni ajakum dan na di ntwa ni mu tale na odi mirika kwa he only me how you know my problem enti ko Abi national kwabata bi e ben wonne na hunu sikakrabia mu sompa so won sembise bi a freyensesi a e 0322 002 922 Abi national basum dwesafo a e sikakra mu Ayo wadi yayo mimi demo enu ne ku enku sei enye me ku nka no pe me shawo damage bi papa ko for be see manu bi enku be nyina mu bi anye we nyina ko woda so bo wa so di nti wo se den enti to bring pharmaceuticals cough syrup power dia bi enti wonti ya wo cough baby enku dan to fuwa ebro wo mu ebra wo bo wa na cough child na so di enku da enu mo ebro wo wo bo hyehyɛ wo mu mu a esie etu asie kura na cough adult dia enku fo dia no no na cough family wo pegidu etu akoto bring pharmaceuticals so one cough nansa na wo ho antowo a wo doctor cough syrup send your money what does you do must
Because I didn't quite you, I just say, yeah.
Anti-pharmacist, me fear for Nina Tipa, Nanson, ye wom Kakrane say, me yet tipa yeno, Kata, ni winning in SC, me banon so when I'm mad, why you say boho, na med yet, as me need to 12 from Edia Surubin be a bit jam as well, a jamega, ga, na oche. Me fear dear, what do you, me yin so fear dear, a yeducum, into where say in free fear. Would you free baby idea? None your drooping.
David, Ora, Tipaya dear, Wabajuma Musa pharmacist no. Me hubia. Ain't to what's it? O wife Tipaya Nazakataka home. Good, and no obey here. Entramodi. And I was so Benedict Payen so Amana Yembre. Okay, and no obey here. Entramol and Casa. And Ana what you know so see a job ga. All right, that is tension, headache or migraine. Okay. We'll be here. Entramol Plus. What the na no fear for no said the matrama will not prepare.
Entramol D, ne Entramol Plus no. Enyagro, e tuti pa yasi de kude. Nti se ubet na ho. Na etia power there. Ene wa wasa.
Ebi a hwe se adwedi nkratu agya tum se ye.
Abusiafo ya damase sema tweye na yaje yabofo nkrato aba haya jenkwa 101.9 kasafidie so mekasi estumi live ewo yen Facebook page na jenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 YouTube aya ajenkwa FM live okwa obehye obecomment no like wi asinyanso ebe te onka John yasan babio yanko kumewu ni yanhwe kumewu sede ye honsem esi etie survey bia ba betodwa info analytics ono mo trese ase kumewu ma no ye dwa MPP kakra etibi abato sede yanka bia se ba election ma ye sede ni kumewu fo si to aba no o ma wi ne kwa no abaye de ne pa woni wona wo ye san survey eye adwen Nimpo wo kwa ye ndc ni uji se MPP ba we no kra ta gabo no a ye eda mo ne wo no ntem no eso bete ana bi ba be kan ho
ebi na ba
we infrastructure project ya MPP akwa ya
there na ba me dance it is time you can correct Ghana for
ko be na okay
it is time e wo say ye makuma wuman ete ase idi adanse say election now year to no is election to determine Kumawu future, the development in Kumawu and its environments. NPP abetna power almost 7 years
okay.
Say with your own eye say Kumawu a kwine bi wo no ma contractor guso no wo ye adwuma.
Okay.
Where would be
okay.
Now you was sitting MP. The late Philip
MPP for say na olobi no ye ho adwuma.
The late Philip Baswa.
Yeah.
Yeah, hunu kwan no oye within that period. It is so person what me say. The first 4 years from 2017 ever say MPP ba mu 2017 to 2020 no na eno no oguso o lobby
okay
na oguso o lobby on the o lobby
onwieda
agi se BBS ansa na the lobby no abamana yaje atum se afede BBS ntine ye betumi ade ne lobby na tuma we uka say ya obi a wo ye critical thinker bia badwen say the relationship between Muni Philip Aswa no nenye
ujiji sa
because me no me MP tie my lobby sa one famba se bi ka fra me kan chingu ye me da me bonkum so afina mo hunya sa se sade na me ye no machi mu betumi abaye dia ade no anya manim amama fa anya me samba
okay
na mu mi wuachi ena mu baye ade we abekata me se na me ye ho adwuma na ade na maye no ehun kanse be na me Philibaswa mede
minya
me lobby ye no when the people me say ya me pension me ye me de buy it tells you say so we hwe ne ekoso ya ani ade am people for Kenya no mo ne Philibaswa no mo ti ado ahoma so no mo ti ado ahoma so again kuma umai me de mesra wo mo
okay
mesra wo mo say abaye kwakotuwe it's about kwanya ye be for so ye be develop the communities e wo constituency honom kwanya ye be for so ye be mamputujuma ba communities a community a Kumawu munya ahwe no ndc nya ahwe maamo e wo Kumawu ye mfa ne sa but wo betumi demonstrate semubua ka say ene Kumawu adehye wo honom Sebi kafra ye papa kwabrando fo duru wono ma wa shekumawu animonyam mebwa wa be ye bank of governor mebwa
okay
what's about be ye finance minister of ever ondukumawu
okay
edi wa be shekumawu animonyam true hot NDC eti se na aba ye kwakotuo yi ye pese ye hye ye ho animonyam na ye nya mpontuo dia me de kumawufuo mesrɛ mo baby a motemi nka free baby a wo bia no aba na ye number 2
one why two me
see what amankwa
okay
onu na wo say ye to aba na ye de e ma no again se wo hu ne e koso wo kumawu no wo de wo hu bi ye cheche mo ye cheche de ntoma ye cheche gare
okay
ye cheche de asekan what I am saying ne say yes indeed ye betumi acheche ba wo ye kumawu ni de sia wo pe kumawu mpuntu a wo ye Ghana ni a wo te kumawu na wo pe kumawu nkoso a emu olonka mienu ntumi nsesa wa adwen entuma ba ko ni gwaza nsesa wa adwen enfam tuma ba ko no engoton wani monyan for 4 years another 4 years ni asabra ogare another 4 years ni asabra ntuma dabi ukokromoti ne wo power o mensem no ene ukokromoti enu na betre se mpa mpuntuo na wo pe no wo kumawu no enye ntoma mpuntuo enye mu mpuntuo enye gare mpuntuo na mu me school aya hospital aya nsuo aya market aya rose
okay
enu ni de mpuntu aya hwehwe no kumawu enye mpuntu aya gare enye mu enye ntoma obeje sabika frawo echina ntoma ebetumi asai emfaso be na wanya basenka woto abapa yie ema yesi school dan papa ma wo ba komu a ona na bi komu kosua ade nya nimdi a he can become an MP
okay
for the community
yo tu si form no
etimi de mi si form no na mesre kumawu se senie na pokaye ese ya tade kurampo MPP atade kura tumi ma efekeke etumi sesa wa adwema woto aba no it tells you that this is the kind of leaders here your MPP for in Asante Mantama to aba mo it is such a leader no aduana be be lobby people betumi akọ lobby dia brand community it is a say no adia na poka tra Ghana fo ni Asante Man nyina ne say ye de MPP ntade esesa vote esesa mputuo e wa Asante Mantemu a enunti ena da bia da no ntade bia na wo mu beye no Asante Mantem na ntade ndodo na ba ha sei efisi ye hu ni say ye de ye mpempuntuo na ye de ye pentade chede emputuo
yes ye pe empuntuo
ye me won was Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia akura ka say Ghana card baako yes 1,000 what
Mira Bambila yankwa homa no so besima ba miensa bi ya ne Reverend Ransford Ohe Asante enso ni common fa kumawu ensemi ho hello Rev
yeah
Where have you go there yanko padumo na yesu ye ho ye pa Reverend Opede ya ba won chen sima ba miensa ntara san yakwa homa so no yenhwe kumawu na by lesson ekoso no adaroma udu wani edi ekire watiti bia sana ye kono ene edei hello Rev hello Rev Jasoso yente nenka yenhwe se yebese nya no a na yede no aba na yene tiefo so akwa kodi nkomo hello Rev
enena ebeje ko na ke report de be ni adi America ka America ni nai Hello, Janaka.
Meton Kapa.
I 2020 by a prayer. Now, Ghana for in himself, parliament near. And I did about boy parliamentary democracy. I brought my Ghana to me across. I remember you do die and 3 years. And then to Kwahu Moko any idea. Name it me a Casaba, Manila. I am a square Ghana, Nina Casanima. And you know, for now, it's 2023. I can't claim 2024. Maybe I can measure more for this year. Maybe because they are advocate, me an independent candidate. Never also by now some monopoly of parliament, NDP edition, and Katuka. But since parity, independent candidate job, I know about the person. It is an independent broker. Couldn't see the Anna, and Emily, I that's what no couple. I know it's a now majority. If you can bring to a car or more and media, and I did the candidate the month. You can make a commercial. That's why we don't want to let it there and not a clear claim. You beat me a queen, not me a boy. I'm a man to do amount for a campaign to. Again, I told you fine. Now, clap until you own. Now, quite a weakness now. Other weakness, now, so for a at 24, which I have it. What you say? And then find Mantama Wogan. After the BIA and the worker, I may say I did that amount of the person. But it is and yet, we are doing everything. I have 4% of the bringing them in women. Into many say to media, most of the fear. And common trouble. That is there. And parliamentarian or political parties. And we do a unit in our sharing. Ama in 2 million and about a passion. And making our family. Making our family. Going forward. What will be now 2 pennies went to you in Pessoa? Maybe I can empower. How do you independent candidate or ha? Now, political parties now cannot say that. I know that my government can deny it. Maybe to the more or have a bit less number. Mama Cafe is used to buy the book. I can because of the canon.
Rev, but I say, I pay also the Audia Babua, Omega and Puntu, and then in Chichia. Yabana CP, I pay Unamonka Nebushin now. Labuja Yanko Manaso 0204 905655 0596 248959. But you didn't be a Okasa free Wadaroma. Hello, Bajo Udi and the baby are Okasa free at a pay while I'm my NTO. Now, some didn't want to pay. Yami Aqua Kofi Watch says what the general Butuas in Binka. Yamin Shop, Nasu Yokona Binka, you are John Alan Kojik Martin. Delegates Madaloma, Papa and Auntie Muto, William Day, Monfadam Ramayawate, Nebabuay. Neko many in the message, Kumawu Fose, and Penny Fose, say, your friend say, what the annual year, and I think so, say, a training car, Nanon say, a map about so from a Fanko Kudi. It's a message, Kumawu Fose, or Monto Abanama. Yura NSNM MPP Nino Nafi Yentua Baton so Namidu Kwabi and Master say the best so sha as a yaw baby and Hajin Kaklano Nina you say a 2 million can Yanum being a Kekahono Sanya Man Yinai and Unity to Pan and Kema Sebi Yapa pay a munko to get I was our final so but I say yes we had to see people maybe I can say you are down.
I did kind of about the answer, so that's what you're watching. The trouble that in young for John, Alan, solution as a front of that project, Manager and Car, and I made that point, Kennedy, as we travel. Now, I remember, everybody also, I don't know about that. If you got to know to be a good swap, you can hear me. Now, to tell what a little bit. We tell you now, so on a Benosolo. Now, you're 2 of them. We need to tell you
Mo yeso yeda wase mpache wudi ba bia kasa free wadaroma.
Hello.
Bira.
Wadaroma. The family Junior Baumia.
Manso Antoine from this Kong.
Ah, wouldn't me, man, some contact. Hona, to me, another fellow cancer. Oh, Excellency, Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Jomama. Baumia. I'm sure you were for the Kodunka taking you to me on some contact. My education minister, what time in Jomukumini? To the nomination Aircano. Let's say, Kumaru by election in Yakoti. Somebody, independent now. I should clearly say, any phoning say, money panel, when the big in Jumokoshe, independent nation. Somebody, manner, fine and over catcher and say, over Buntu Makumu. I buy by also. It is an idea, I buy now what is one. Ah, let me, only MP. One woman say, the man, no more to answer quite a command. The command say, a Sunday a call with you. A one fat, a mono, and I say, and this is where you have got to you. Come on, farmer, a morning prayer or 2 away, about the 4. It's
Mo, yeah, that's a patch of him, maybe I'll get free Wadaroma. Mira,
that's what I'm saying.
And go find more that's way.
And I don't know what
I'm going
yeah, I'm going to Madama. I'm going to see why. It's my whole book. I'm going to tell you that Nigeria. Allah. The Martin. Can I find a good first baby who I did this for the gym? On Panama. I'm a son of Papa. Even what the NSO. I'm never going to see my pa. I'm in check for electricity free now. I tell you, Anna. You know, the best straight slow for the best medium. The big form. The best of me. I'm going to go to him. Now you are the so we so. And see you are any ceremony. I want to man. Boom. The man who's a pa. I'm going to go after the basua. As I'm going to do you are any. Let's say I'm going to go and tomorrow. Because the beginning be a more punch. I'm going to abandon my way.
Yeah, why you be one fan tomorrow?
Oh, I'm going to play. Yo,
befache wudi any baby a ogase free Wadaroma.
Ofa.
Opesika
wudi abema makope. Uni muni abema opesika bide no baby mo kwada sofa. Ofa, the next president of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. NDC Fosro, Bema won since so much and waham. Uti on fighting on a party for the neighbor. Since on a brew party name, on resigning so every party name that Yakopon Kano. Ofa, I have plenty of your opinion, Mason Quanta, I Frederick Kojum Kansa, on a suit on a pipe, Mason Quanta for the neighbor. Ofa, me come and no, a better Kuma for, and I'm a play. NDC near the Pavia de Miami. NDC I did Ghana so 27 years. Kuma Oninia would hear me and Opaya Gotwapa. We say 27 years NDC I did Ghana, so no one fast swap bank and a wenya every NDC mo fast swap 1 pay and a wenya every NDC mo. Every niveau NDC for the Nada at all any a DJ power. On the can some natural they did it and so more bar. Almost say a hand more, what's that? A cocoa actually from and Yenife. I am going to go to club a year, and Yamofe. And the answer there, put to Juma pass on them, put to Juma Santa Vedin, Lalai, put to Juma Pomose, Joshua Pacono. And the any mistake as all got to Obama NDC, any gentleman, Mahama, I say, oh, my, open Mama 1,000 years, almost diminish a pro anybody. And
I say, Mevaja Udi, any baby, Okasa free and pay what I may do.
Your friend again, I'm a friend of him, George Jankuba.
Sir, Jankuba, Bokodi.
Boko Diana Banafse.
Go pardon me, Ryan Tiway.
Diana Bamamintia, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. I beg your time, my honor, Pambia, and very delegates, only the neighbor. Da Mintia Kama Kuka. Now, Mintia Dr. Fadon goes over from Tonko. I can't let the mechanism. Your best Yukuma woman. Omushu Bunkum Renifa. And say, MPP a bank 1 year buyer. This my book, my woman. And if you are bank 1 year, baby, to my board down on my NDC. And say, I be a for connect either been a then Kokujina 27 years in this home. So many, what training I've been now you doing regularly. My son said, only if you pop about who cried the moment, ye de tumi chi omu nsem no ida father brother yentini amamu emra sanado say Ghana kwai na o se kuma mu chi mo kwai no tu wa yeni nyina na do kono kana wada wo ticket no wada na idea dance na do ba fa wa yeni so o Ghana for ya da so complete say former president do mama no nadia o me ka say amamu ni 23 na no ko ni obedi amamu ela na do beto challenge man kuma say 27 years no we can social intervention ba ku pa o dia ba amati menu ni dia ye nye tikadia to butu me ya ba ya kwa ya yin buruburu
mo ya da se me ba che udi me bia ka se free last caller
Ariana ba
Bula
Solomon
a cha se wan samle
na na pempon wa cha so se wa to mango be jano Ariana ba mamemo one abeja pona ba so na menchia chema ode nu kokwa pia poka abusia pa nyine na Yura Frederick Kwajo enkansa Amasha West and Solomon Apio no Lord Nabona man say yentimi and the Vice President of the Republic, His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, MPP, and again and that's so bakono no mention pan of him. And then about and a jebu and a kumawu by election and basso. Na you would say kumawu for omunium from so that's here because in 2040 one hineba any day any papa etiase. So papa tiase now papa di mo be any day. Mama de ma papa ntoa amamo no so o tia se o ko to mo bia wan hwa ko ye janka ma po ni di ya wa ka wonya be ni e de bete kuma wofo o mo to ban ma ye wura enim order number 1 o mo to ban ma no na da ko ko do ene bi ko na mamu o ma hye o ne mpiti mo ma hye se e kuma wo no o mo to so pan kwa we ye e ma kuma wofo so o mpira do mo enkwa do mo e de na ba me da se
mo yeso ye do wase
uyam ayekro anase emu kekaw uhia amuzuke uyam tutu anase emu samfono uhia amuzuke wayase ya oya anase uwa fichikro mu haw uhia amuzuke heba mixture ebi wo heba shop bia mu frɛ 0247 776743
John akra Ghana for ka so ye kode na di chai
o frɛfo na mo frɛ na ebi kan se ma na emisere
ba ko se boni bi MPP ayi bi o mo fanche
boni a waye a ye betumi di achew na kuma wufuo se mo be kai ti ana felebaso a eti ase menka mo yawo se na MPP for sini ne ti esifa se na no mo sini ne ti sifa a ye kwa akoto assembly election the whole sitting MPP Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo timi di soldiers ni police for ekoko gina kwanya no say yemma kumawu MP emu wura hono ene de mose de kumawu fo mo aye bia ye fa nchemu na mo nto aba emfa ma wo mo me de mesre delegates na wo kumawu no ene mo kwakoto aba no se information bia me say ka ene say one police station the electoral commission, you know, Air Force NDC agent was say one sign 3 hours yo. We will not allow this thing to happen. We will not allow this to happen. Again, my friend for Bako friend who can assembly was say NDC abedi so some years. Omuhu ade omaye. Minua, na sorosa obey research kakra. Ye wahana na Ghana. Yensuo awie. Ayenya wo mampanyin dada what do you call it? Je kufuo fa asofofo ko bom paye wo ho mebua yewura John Dramani Mahama ne Professor Mercy by on by no besi a trouble gas de man
okay
eti wo dia wo se wonim hwe krampo no a trouble gas the biggest factory wo Ghana ha say under NDC na ye dey esi ye woni hwe obi frɛ na wo se Asante Mantemu ase. He should tell me as Antimantemu as MPP buyer within this pilot. Adia o my ye and then another Danko Akufo-Addo. Ye betum di yensa, ye betum di ye hu. Adipo ono me bia na be. Enye ni yade o.
Enye ye fun yade.
Enye ye fun yade o, eye ni yade.
Okay, ti ye ye ko.
Ye wo Ghana ha ye wo Antimantemu ade ndisi yetumi nka hwe cramp no. Na nye kejeti amakete.
Eno eye John Abambila wonche aye tam na so.
Ye ko. Ebi na ba mechia kumawufuo na mechia hafualu no fufuo
okay
mesire kumawufuo se abanomo ntomaye enye mo enya nwa enya ne omo cheche no na mom the development of what kumawunti ene yese montoma kwasi odie amankwa chiriye no udi wonu ma nsu oto the only thing I will be to media abon ho ban enne e wo kumawu e chiriye nsu oto utimi nkose wo so na sema ne ye da
John Abambila okasa edema NDC amaikuo woni ne wate ne kan yetifo wo chichi benkemu wona wo frɛ ye cha adwen dodo na wo pese obowura mu titu kumawu nsem akwanya na ma momfa enche ye Kenya no di ani kakra na suni nyemu no Ebenezer han wode ye aba bejukojo yamche producer wa ba som na nama incoming Iron Lady oboye chidon Rashidi Akini the writer of the Facebook YouTube kojo Safumakel eboye chidon abra krobia Gladys onzu edimuti ntimam bidin de aduana ba echeni boatene senior kwara boaten wo fi ranche wa oni adwumefo nyamuti ye chiamo ne anopay ye sole ama DJ BIs e de adwumamle ato aso ama ye mofije na ya awone pato